Welcome to the Math Review. In this question, we're subtracting decimals. Our first decimal is 92 3/10, and we're subtracting from that 41 2/10. The most important thing to do whenever you're subtracting decimals is to make sure that you line up your decimal point. So let's write in this number first. Notice how I left a lot of space between the digits because I want to make sure that my work and my numbers are lined up neatly and clearly. Next, I'll write my second number in. But the key is to make sure that we use the decimal point in our first number as a guide for the decimal point in our second number. So I like to start by writing in the decimal point first. And notice this decimal point is written directly under the first decimal point. I'll write in any numbers to the right. And to the right of the decimal point, I just have the number 2. So I'll write the 2 directly under this 3. Next, I'll write in any values to the left of the decimal point, making sure that I only write one digit per column. So first, I'll write the 1 here directly under this 2. And then I'll write this 4 directly under this 9. Now that everything is lined up and written in, I'll write my subtraction symbol, underline everything, and then get to work, starting from the right column. And just a brief reminder, the reason why we line up our decimal points is because when we do that, our place values get lined up properly. This here is the tens column, here is the ones column, and here is the tens column, nicely and neatly. 3 minus 2 is 1. We'll bring down the decimal point. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 9 minus 4 is 5. Making our final answer 51 1/10, more commonly read as 51.1. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Math Review.